We present to you 5 ways that you can tie your shoelaces. Let's start with this one. It's quite simple to be done and it looks unique. We're loving this one. Let's see what the other one has in store for us. You can try these techniques for each workday. This looks so cool. What do you think of it? The third one is here for us. Let's check it out. It already looks interesting. Would you try this one out? Just awesome! Did you pick your favorite one yet? If not, there's one more after this that you may like. This technique looks so clean. We will leave you with the last one.